How's it going? So here we've got our 1985 twin-turbo Toyota Cresta. It's got the predecessor to the 1J. It's a 1G GTEU, twin-turbo 2-liter straight six.
Wow. Oh wow.
Yeah.
That's really packed in there.
Yeah, it is.
That's a pretty big motor for this small of a car.
I mean, it's good size. At the time when it came out, it's about 170 horsepower.
Mm-hmm.
So when it came out, it was good. It wasn't, you know, anything mind-blowing, but it was good.
And this one's been modified a little bit.
Yeah, like I said, you can see the super intercoolers right here, off of 7M, and it's got the rear diff out of a 3rd Gen Super as well.
Wow.
And it's got an HKS super sequential blow-off valve.
Oh, this is fun.
You know, your basic bolt-on stuff.
So you say it's set up for drift, essentially, right?
Essentially, yeah.
Drift. Yeah. So we go have some fun with it.
I don't drift,
Oh,
so I'm sorry.
Oh, dude, that's cool. Oh, this is a trip. Wow. I like how it sounds.
Oh, it sounds amazing. You'll see,
That's
very
pretty crazy.
slow.
Oh, that's cool though.
Yeah, it sounds. Nothing sounds like this car.
Wow.
Which is what makes it so cool. It's got a nice radio in it. I redid some of the speakers. I did basic maintenance to this car when I got it. Really haven't done much beyond that.
Yeah.
But it's in great shape, especially for a car that's got 220,000 kilometers on it.
Wow, that is kind of high, isn't it?
It is. Normally they're under 150. This one having 227,000 is pretty rare.
Yeah.
I mean, it's great. I tell everyone it's a perfect candidate for a newer chassis swap.
Wow. It's a very unique sound. That's
Oh yeah. That's one of the things about a JZ swap you would lose with this car, is you'd lose how unique the noise it makes is. Because that is one of the things that really sets this car apart, is how it sounds. There you go.
Oh wow. Oh, that's cool.
So a little bit slower than the last right-hand drive car you drove in, but it gets people to notice it.
Wow. Oh, that's cool though. You know, speed isn't everything.
Exactly. It's got it's set up really for a nice stance. It's got the lip kit on this car is custom, and the rear over fenders on this car are custom as well. So
It's got a really nice display gauge too there. That's pretty unique.
And it's got the tack moves along the bottom, which I love, which I think is just so unique to one of these mid to late 80s cars.
Wow, that's cool. Give us a quick little downshift. Oh yeah.
That's the best thing about this thing is the exhaust note. You can't go anywhere without people turning on. What was that? They look at you in this just lowered right-hand drive brown sedan and just can't figure anything out. It's wonderful.
This is pretty cool, man. This is very 80s style Japanese. This is 80s, yeah. Very cool. So now you've seen this one. Now we're gonna go on to the next one.